Today's Thursday, May 16th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado lower grille out of the two-piece set. This unit has been detailed for my friend Liz at Graham's Customs in California, and this is a video depicting the condition of the fully detailed unit. Alrighty. And this is the lower unit, which is essentially not even seen in the vehicle, and it's absolutely beautiful where it's been redetailed. And of course the upper grille out of the two-piece set is going to be even more beautiful because that is the visible piece. This one is essentially hidden by the bumper and the license plate and the bumperettes. So this is George in Florida. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. I'll be doing the second video probably Friday or Monday for Liz, and this will be going out to my friends at Graham Customs in California as soon as I get their okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, May 16th. Thank you very kindly.